Hey guys, welcome to Ridhivej Finance. And in Ridhivej Finance, we speak previously about IPO detail of Aqueous Limited. Unfortunately, we skip the Vidya wires, but we will come up with the Vidya wires very soonly. Actually, we have targeted Aqueous Limited and Misho with Aqueous. So, what about Bangalore based companies? Speaking about Bangalore, it's not a Bangalore, it's Karnataka based companies. What they speak about, we have seen the Aqueous is the market leader probability, and yes, it has proved it. Aqueous Limited has proved it not. They are into the market since number of years. They have a good grassroots. They have their finance on the topmost list so that they are into the market. But what about their subscription reports speak about over here? So the GMP predictions available with the hottest point of Ridhvej Finance is available on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share our YouTube channel with your friends, probably who has got allocated Aqueous Limited IPO. They will book the profit 100%. So we will speak about the IPO detail of this company, Aqueous Limited. The sign of Aqueous Limited is Aqueous. 3rd December, this IPO will be open till 5th December. If you are from B2B and if you want to invest in any IPO, you can invest in this kind of companies. If you are a retail individual investor, probably you will not get a subscription even. I mean, there are large amount of people will subscribe this IPO as we expected. More than 45% subscribe people may subscribe it. Even they don't subscribe it this IPO. We will see there is amazing things while listing. First, we will see the report and then we will declare it the expected GMP. The price range between 118 to 124 per equity share. Discount 11 rupees per equity for eligible employees, benefited one. Face value 10 rupees per equity share. Ticket size RE1 and IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager JM Financial Limited, IIFL Capital Service Limited, and Kotak Mahindra Capital Limited. Sponsored bank HDFC Bank Limited and Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. So we will see something about their ownership. So the market speak about it with the reports as we see in the Aqueous is a qualified institutional buyer 120.92 number of total mint for the category has subscribed this IPO. Apart from that, corporate and not corporate sorry non-institutional investors has shown interest in this IPO. 77 number of total mint for the category. Apart from that, we see the retail individual investors also subscribe this IPO 78.05. Overall, this IPO has got more than 101.63 number of total mint for the category. Guys, if you see in this week, there is the biggest competition between Aqueous and Misho. I haven't checked on Vidya Wires. Very soonly, I will come back with that details on the GMP predictions. Don't wait and waste your time, because if you subscribe this IPO, my god, trust me, you had make money within the week. Is it real? Oh my god. So what Ridhivej Finance speak about it? So here is the Ridhivej Finance speak about the GMP. My God, the price band as we have seen in the IPO detail was between 118 to 124. Suppose Aqueous goes above everything. Aqueous goes above everything, they will give it to you 300 plus, means 300 rupees will be GMP or 250 we will give it to you. Actually 250 is giving is a reasonable one over this IPO Aqueous GMP, but we will give it to them 300. Oh my god, actually I'm just making this GMP 350 to 450. First target will be 250 100%. Then they will give it to you. Aqueous will give it to you 310, we will say. And if it is go beyond, then 380 above or 400 above. The third target will be 400 above. So hopefully, but frankly speaking, over here they will give it to you 250 plus 100%. And this is all about the prediction. We will not give it to you 500 or 600 blindly over here. So that's it. You will get 400 maximum, and then the share we will come back with the detail analysis of stock detail. So wait and watch. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance, and that's it all about Vridhivesh Finance. Come back with the stock analysis very soonly. Actually, we don't get the time, and that's the reason we skip the stock analysis. Very soonly, we will give it to you the detail. Wait and watch. Till the time, happy Monday, busy Monday.